All right. Hello, good morning, and welcome back again to the New York Live. It is 15th January, uh, 8 a.m. Eastern now. Um, wait, the wait continues except for one trade addition. It was an absolute aggressive trade with just about 22 points of risk that I sent out a few hours back. But overall, I would still suggest the wait would continue, and let's do the wave counts again for the daily chart setups for euro, dollar index, and gold. Except for gold, we are flat in most of the trades except a small short call taken in the euro around 22.75 a few hours back. If you had seen the message on Telegram, it was there a few hours back. All right, let's get started on the counts here. It's going to be a top very soon, but we are still, I think we are still away from a confirmation. January 2017 till today, we are very close for a five-wave rally to complete. The 2200 handle has been exceeded. Now, the only change, if you were there with me in the UK live and now, could be wave 1, wave 2, that would be wave 3 within the diagonal, and we might see wave 4 dropping lower before the fifth wave. Now this is a possibility. Why? Because the proposed fifth wave, which began from 1990 levels, has exceeded the third wave, which was less than wave 1. So if the pip count that I've done is correct, it should have ended below the proposed fifth wave should have ended below 2287.88. It has exceeded that, so maybe there might be slight change in the wave counts now in the ending diagonal structure. Need to wait and watch. But whatever the case, a top end reversal is due, at least in the name of the fourth wave within the ending diagonal structure, which could bring prices again towards the 1900 handle before it could print in yet another high. Right, so that is the recent update or change, I would say. And as discussed earlier, even if we take a retracement of, considering the fact that this could be the beginning of a new trend, could be probable beginning of a new trend, then we can expect a three-wave corrective decline towards 1.11 at least. All right, and if this has been a part of an extended flat, even then prices are expected to drop lower. The first major target should be around 1.15 before a meaningful retracement can occur. Right, so trading point of view, we are still, I would say, not completely into it. It's just a small aggressive trade taken at 22.75 with a very tight stop loss at 22.97. I'm sure most of the conservative traders would be staying flat. That's what is suggested. We need to see at least a break below the support on the hourly chart is towards the 2200 handle. We need to see a break at least below 2200 before we can begin to sell on rallies again. All right, so flat flat now as far as the trade point of view is concerned in the euro. Alright, now if we open up the dollar index chart, same sort of situation on the daily chart. We are still waiting for a reversal from a potential termination point of fifth wave. 1 to 3. Wave 4 terminated around the 95 handle, and we are still waiting for a reversal of a potential fifth wave terminated at the same degree, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But there are no signs of an impulse rally as of now. Just a small morning star into picture. We need to see a break on an hourly chart at least above the 90.85 resistance now. So let's play the game according to the simple story. First resistance to be taken out in the dollar index around the 90.85 mark, and then we buy on dips, and on the other side first support being taken out in euro USD around the 2200 handle, and then we sell on rise. All right, still okay, we've got a morning star, but that doesn't complete the story yet. We want to see some more confirmation as price is breaking above 90.85. Okay, so dollar index, no trade call has been even suggested, even in an aggressive way. We're absolutely flat at the moment. One good thing that we could still witness, I think in both the instruments, euro and the dollar index, is that the divergence scenario still stays actually. That was the previous low at 91.27. Again, it was a divergence scenario then. Even now, it continues to be a bullish divergence in the dollar index, and I think it's a bearish divergence. There you are, bearish divergence seen in the euro USD. Pointers are indicating there's just a major turn around the corner. We're simply waiting for some price confirmation before stepping into the trade again, and making it sure this time not getting stopped out. Alright, so let's touch upon the metal now. This is where we are already into the trade. I think if it's an ABC 535 move complete, then it could be wave E. Now if you are joining just now, I mean, then let me do some label. That was an ABC, each wave unfolding into three waves. You might note that. Another ABC labeled as wave B, another ABC labeled as wave C, wave D terminated slightly ahead of our expectations, and that's the reason why we could not pick that up on the long side. It was a mistake though from our side, but now if this is wave E termination point, and if prices remain below 1358 precisely, then looking as the fifth wave termination point, we would have wave 4 terminating here at a higher level, which could give rise to the fifth wave dropping lower. Right. Plan B could be uh, it needs to break above 1357 though. Once it does, that would be an absolute confirmation of prices pushing towards easily the 1400 levels going forward. All right. As far as the 4 hour charts are concerned, there are 4 hours or the hourly, there are no confirmation of a strong reversal. So humble suggestion or request is not to initiate fresh shorts. In fact, we are almost no trades on the desk right now except for the earlier shorts in gold taken. No fresh initiation on the short side is recommended in gold right now. We need to wait for at least a confirmed reversal before I can issue a fresh sell call again in gold. Otherwise, you're already short from, I think, from 1319 and 1326. And the stop around the 1359 handle right now. Alright, so three charts where we are focusing right now. We will increase instruments very gradually. We are slow to begin this year, but we need to stay and hang on there with a bit more patience. Nothing else, brothers. Okay. So let's bring this session to a pause again, and I will be back with any updates, if at all is witnessed here on your Telegram channels before I come online tomorrow UK times. So watch out for any updates on your Telegram channel, right? And by any chance, if you still not subscribed here, you might want to do so, so that you will be receiving notifications whenever I'm updating anything here on the YouTube channel. And also we are finding out a way where we can communicate at once for any notification for the channel subscribers as well. Thank you so much for your time again. We are slow. I know the energy levels are low right now, but let's have a bit more patience. Make sure that we are doing it on the right side this time. All right. So good luck to your trades, brothers and sisters, and until the next time, please take care and God bless. Goodbye.